Ooh, it smells weird when they're born.
We're watching a baby bird be born.
Watching it be born?
Yeah.
What are you doing with the scissors?
Scissors?
What's it on?
Recording it.
You was a math nature freak.
Oh, Todd, don't get too close.
Oh, it smells so weird.
Move, let her say.
Just look through here.
Let me see. Ooh, it stinks. I'm all
Yeah.
stink.
Move, Todd.
Is that him stinking?
Who?
That bird.
No. Oh, look, there it is. It's got its head
Wait a minute.
out.
I can't see. I can't see.
Oh, there it is.
Ew, what is them?
They're baby birds. Oh, come on, get it off. Get it off. It's waiting for food.
How many is it?
4.
Wait, are they all born now?
Yep.
Now we get to feed them and all that.
All right, let's let them.